The ultimate in electric convenience, the BMW Wall Box can charge your fully electric and plug-in hybrid electric BMW at home with up to 9.6 kilowatts. With its robust, weatherproof, and compact design, it can be easily installed in your garage or outdoors. The Wall Box also comes with a wall mount and convenient cable manager for cleaner organization. Make sure the Wall Box has been mounted and installed by an authorized electrician. The LED bar indicates the status of charge. A permanent blue light means it is ready to use. Plug the charging cable into your vehicle. Charging starts automatically. During charging, the status bar on the charger will slowly blink in blue. To stop charging, or when charging is complete, unlock the vehicle to release the charging cable. Unplug the charging cable from your BMW. Hang the cable on the organizer and plug the charger back into the Wall Box. The BMW Wall Box is available through your local BMW center. Wall Box charging requires professional installation and can be facilitated by our partner, Q-Merit. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.